be sticking to your thing. That way you got other shit, you know what I'm saying? I love this thing. So what the fuck with the sky? Man, I got big on one of this, bro.
Hell.
Still think about that dash.
Yeah, you know, because if that one hit, another one gonna hit. I just gotta be ready.
Yeah, boy, this is the life right here, boy. Retirement, having something like this right here, boy. That's what I'm telling you. You ain't gotta worry about Will getting
You
in
got a
trouble.
nice ass career, bro.
You gotta worry about Will getting in trouble.
I've been in that bitch and built like a dome.
This is where we gonna be. Hey, ain't this where we was? Look, right there.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you. You can see this shit straight back.
Yeah. Hey, where's homeboy at? I like him. He crazy as hell.
What's the hell?
Yeah.
He at work. Yeah, the other nigga had to work today. He said he gonna hit me up when he got off. He probably ain't gonna come up with some bullshit. Like we catch a lot of fish here, at least 4 or 5, maybe even 6 fish. I'm probably gonna take straight out there. Hell yeah, clean them up, lay them up, get ready to eat something. And clean that outdoor pot, build me another fryer, fry them up outside again.
Hell yeah. That shit was fire. I had this one on the
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm a friend at work late, but you at least take her a plate.
You know that's where she's going.
I'm making some rice with
I was
this
telling you, that's why I want to try like that big wave. The other thing was so big. I want to try and catch me a cat like this.
Oh, yeah,
I ain't never had me a catfish like that.
I'll take it back. We gotta get cut bait for the giant catfish. I caught that big one on chicken livers. I felt like it was just a stroke of luck. Because you normally don't catch big fish like that on chicken livers. It's always cut bait. Yeah, we come here and catch our cut bait.
Hey, I was thinking about ordering some next year.
Yeah, I can't wait for that shit.
But I'm only gonna use it whenever we go to like the lake, like the paid lakes and shit.
I gotta try it out here, bro. I'm gonna bring. Yeah, I got to. Cause we don't know what is out here. We could fuck around and catch a 50-pounder out here that we want to keep them and go get them stuff. We can't. It's a long lake. If you go to a prize lake and you catch one of those, you gotta let them go. I might want to mount me one, give me a nice ass size catfish and go get his ass
do that. I
mounted.
never know how you go far and one.
You gotta catch the fish, you gotta keep it fresh until it get to him, to whoever the fuck the guy gonna be, and then they take care of it from there.